Change begins at the end of our comfort zone, and progress is impossible without change. Well, it's true that we must be the change we want to see in the society. Therefore, as I see around, I visualize. I visualize a change for a better future, a change for a sustainable future. It was Sir Winston Churchill who said that to improve is to change, to be perfect is to change often. And as I see around, I find that these sustainable development goals have truly stood this saying, as these goals targets to offer a prosperous and a peaceful world. And they bring with themselves a promise for a safer, a cleaner, and a happier world. The possibility of meeting present generation needs without compromising the ability of future generations. Therefore, the very culmination of my thoughts have made me see a vision of a happy and an ever glorious world.